Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at how to determine which robotic pool cleaner is best for you and your pool. When looking for a robotic pool cleaner, there are several main areas you will want to look at to pick the best one for you. First, there's the size and type of pool you have. Most pool cleaners are intended to be used in either above ground pools or in-ground pools because they are typically different sizes and shapes and are made of different materials and have different cleaning requirements. The rule of thumb is that you can use an in-ground model, such as the Dolphin Premier, in your above-ground pool, but you probably can't put an above-ground unit in an in-ground pool. This is because an in-ground units are meant to tackle a wider variety of pool shapes, materials, and sizes, but above-ground units are only meant for smaller, level surface pools. So always look at what type of pool each unit is meant for, as well as the size it says it can clean. If you were looking at an above ground robotic pool cleaners, we recommend looking at the Dolphin Escape and Aquabot X2, both which pack a lot of bang for their buck. Let's move on to filter options, so you can be sure your robot can not only reach all of your pool, but is able to pick up the type of debris your pool has. Most robotic pool cleaners come with just one filter media type, the regular fine filter. This can do an okay job capturing a little bit of all types of debris, from algae to leaves, but it isn't great at either. This is why if your pool is near leaves or is prone to microscopic debris that clouds your pool water, we recommend spending the little extra money to get a robot that comes with many more filtration options. Many mid-tier and premium robots, such as the Dolphin Quantum and Dolphin Sigma, come with an extra ultra-fine filter that can clear up your cloudy pool water. If leaves are your big issue though, we recommend looking at the Dolphin Premier with its exclusive multimedia filtration system. You have the option for all 4 types of media in one robot. Premier has the options of a fine cartridge, micro cartridge, an oversized leaf bag which can expand as needed, or a disposable debris bag. The disposable debris bag has the same leaf power as the oversized bag, but instead of needing to clean it, you can simply toss it out once you're done with it. Next, it's essential for in-ground pools to have a robotic pool cleaner that can clean the water line because it's where most debris and algae gather in your pool. If you ignore it, you'll get a nasty ring of biofilm and it'll ruin the clean appearance of your pool, require more harsh chemicals to offset the algae growth, and possibly cause a difficult to remove or permanent stain. Many robotic pool cleaners can climb and clean the lower walls of your pool, which is nice, but they ultimately miss the water line and tile line, which is the most important part of the pool to keep it clean. This is why we recommend units such as the Dolphin Premier and Sigma, which can constantly and consistently climb the walls because of their tracks, dual stabilizers, and powerful motors. By cleaning the waterline consistently, you will have an overall cleaner pool and less work to do picking up after a pool robot that can only climb walls. The final large piece to consider when looking for a robotic pool cleaner is its cleaning schedule options. Most budget cleaners come with a simple on-off switch, but if you want a robotic pool cleaner to be truly hands-off, then look at robots that come with cleaning schedule options, cycle options, and even delay start choices. Budget to mid-range cleaners like the Dolphin Cayman are beginning to include the options to set weekly timers so that you can choose how many days a week the robot will clean without having to manually start it each day. These options are typically every day, every 2 days, and every 3 days. Once you start looking at robots like the Dolphin Sigma, you will see the option to set how long the robot will run for, whether that's a standard, quick, or enhanced cleaning. Not to mention the ability to delay the cleaning start. Being able to set the length of a clean and how long it will run are the 2 features that really unlock a full, customizable power of the robotic pool cleaner. But at the very least, a weekly schedule should be standard on any units you're considering. Finally, there are a few other options out there that we would like to mention. Anti-tangle swivels and connectivity options. Anti-tangle swivels are an easy to miss feature, but they significantly increase your cleaner's lifespan by preventing wear and tear to your robot's power cord because it can spin 360 degrees. When you begin looking at more mid-range to premium robots, such as the Dolphin Quantum, Premier, or Sigma, anti-tangle swivels are a standard, although there are some budget options that include them as well. If you really want a hands-off cleaner, we would recommend you check out models such as the Dolphin Sigma and Aquabot Elite Pro, which now include the ability to control units from your phone, set schedules, and perform maintenance checks. While this may not be an absolute necessity to get your pool clean, it sure is nice to start a pool cleaning from the comfort of your couch. We'll leave you with a few bots to begin looking at: the Dolphin Escape and Cayman for above ground pools, the Dolphin Quantum, Premier, and Sigma to ensure maximum cleaning coverage in any pool. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. And visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.